Swimming in the Seine. That's what everyone was waiting for this summer in Paris. Or maybe not everyone. For many people, the green color and water plants were clear signs of pollution. And guess what? For a long time, scientists did the same thing to evaluate the water pollution. But in my research, I found something surprising. Some of the most polluted seas can look perfectly clean. Yes, the water is clean, but still full of dangers. So, how do we really know if the water is healthy when we can't see the pollution? The answer, we stop looking at the water and we start looking at what's living inside it. Under a microscope, scientists study all the tiny species because some of them live only in clean water and others appear only when the environment is polluted. So here is the key. If we know which species are there and where they prefer to live, we can say if the water is clean or polluted. But the problem with this analysis is that it takes a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of expert work. And that's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. Now, we don't need to look at each species one by one. We just collect a bit of water sample and analyze the DNA that species leave behind. It's just like police investigation. We don't need to see the suspects. We just follow traces. So AI becomes detective. By following species traces, we teach a machine how to read the DNA, find the species, and tell us if the water is clean or polluted. And that's called supervised machine learning. Let me explain it more. In supervised machine learning, we show a machine hundreds of water samples. For each sample, we say, look, these are the species inside, and this water is clean. Or, these are the species inside, and this water is polluted. So our machine studies all the examples again and again until it learns to recognize patterns. And then, when it gets a new sample, it can say, I have seen this before. This looks clean. Similar to how ChatGPT was trained. And everyone knows ChatGPT. It helped me a lot to prepare for this speech. ChatGPT doesn't memorize text. It learns how people write, how they ask questions, and how to respond. In the same way, our machine doesn't memorize water sample. It learns how to connect DNA, species, and pollution levels. Using this method, we can save lots of time, lots of money, and make the analysis much easier and more simpler. So now, who would swim in the Seine this summer?